Hello people and welcome back to DashCam channel, a channel that features some of the most epic and craziest road encounters ever caught on driver's dashcam, and we'll start this episode off with some of the most common mistakes made by crazy drivers in traffic, so make sure to pay close attention and try your best to learn a thing or two out of them. Even though the truck driver made an illegal U-turn, the irony is that he still made it better and more efficient than the rest of the vehicles there.
Well, that's quite the U-turn.
Hey, but he did it better than most people do it in a car.
Yeah.
But he's gonna go. Because that's what they do.
That's right.
So you wonder if, what the heck he was doing. Yeah, these guys, they hit pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What else do you need? Oh, they're gonna do an illegal turn, that's why.
That's why.
This self-entitled driver pulled right out in front of a truck driver without thinking at all, and he nearly got himself T-boned.
Us what he wants to happen next.
I think now with the
Look at the weather for the West Midlands. Some blustery showers with a yellow weather warning for strong winds. Highs of 9 degrees. For an update anytime, you can ask your smart speaker to play BBC News for the West.
Icy roads can be really dangerous for all drivers, especially if you have bad tires or if you're an inexperienced driver. In this situation here, we are witnessing a spin out in the middle of the road. And notice that it only took 1 split second for the driver to end up in that bad spot.
Boom! Right.
Boom! Right
in front.
Cameron was trying to enjoy a nice drive around the town, but when he approached this roundabout, little did he know that another crazy driver would cut him off and cause an accident by not looking.
Oh shit. Wow, dang. Damn. Bye. Yeah, you just ran a red light, you moron.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Core on DashCam channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching and picking up a thing or two on how to properly behave in traffic. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. And if you truly like my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because that will mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe, guys.